Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dave NZ Tech. I'll be showing you guys how to make money from Facebook. Yes, from Facebook. You don't need to have a group with million subscribers. I'll just show you the way. Let me just not waste more time telling you stories. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video if you know it adds value to you. So all you need to do is you come to your Facebook. If you're using the latest version of Facebook, if you're not, all you need to do is click on your profile. Just click on your profile, you get to this place. And if you observe, my profile is not displaying as yours should be. You can see something like see dashboard and all that. You don't have that because of the feature is not on your phone, but let me show you how to turn it on. So all you need to do is come to this 3 dots here you are seeing by the right corner. You click on it. When you click on it, you come down here, you can see this turn off professional mode. All you need to do is you also will be turn on professional mode. You click this. So I'm about turning mine off, but let me turn it off. Let me turn it off. Okay, my professional mode is turned off now. So let me just go back to my profile, go back or refresh. Now come back so you can see edit profile. It's no longer showing the professional mode. So all you need to do is you click on this button, come down here, see turn on professional mode, you turn it on. As soon as you turn it on, you can turn professional mode, get paid for your content, and see. So you can see our professional mode is on. Our professional mode is on. All you need to do, let me show you what I have on my professional mode so far. The professional mode has been on for some time now. Okay, yeah, this is it. So you can see the amount of people I've gotten to follow me. My posts have reached 8,488 people, engagement and all that. These are what will take you to the forefront to get paid. As soon as you get to the level where you get enough details, you can see this very post has fetched me a lot of. You can see the insights only available when the total is at least 100. You can see I have all these nice details there. So that is all you need to do. All you need to do is, so you are in professional mode now. This is my professional mode. All you need to do is come back to your main profile and post stuffs. People will like it automatically. When you enter, click on professional mode, you're turning your profile to be a page, so you can see stuff like that. All of the posts you made, people that clicked on it, engage people. As soon as you hit the required stuffs, then you get paid. Post a lot of reels. If you want to post reel, you come here. You see, look at reels here. Post more reels. You see some of my reels are really shooting. Let me show you this one. And this is one of my best reel so far. So you can see I'm reaching 114 likes. So that's it. You can post more reels and you get more stuffs. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll be showing you guys more tips and tricks on how to make money, how to program, how to do some tricks with your phone and laptops. Thank you for watching.